Hey everybody, sound check. Is this good? I hope this is good. It's time we have a real conversation about UFO gaming. You wonderful 1,000+ subscribers, thank you so much. Let's get into it. Let's have an honest conversation. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Title Pending, and I'm doing content related to NFT gaming, pay to earn, all that stuff, because I am also a developer of a project, a couple of projects right now that are in the works related to pay to earn games. So here we go. Let's jump in. As they say, this is my journey. This is not financial advice because, you know, I might lead people astray sometimes. You got to be careful about this. One of those things that I think I did okay with, wasn't terrible, was mechs. So a lot of people got into this, you know, subscribe to my channel and like my content related to UFO gaming. So I ended up getting this great mechs thing through UFO gaming. Ufrogger recommended I do it, and it's been great. I love mechs, but even though I love mechs, some people are a little bummed out about 1 million UFO tokens, losing that if they pull their UFO tokens. Okay, so I just want to be honest about that. If 1 million UFO tokens is too much for you to pull from mechs, that's what you're getting into. But I myself still love mechs, and I'm using mechs. Now, the other thing is that as we're going to talk about price predictions and where it's going and all that stuff, this is not going to be a happy video because it's going to be a real video. So hopefully you can hold some criticisms. I'm going to be criticizing some things. Okay, I'm going to be critical, right, and honest, because I think that's more important than anything else. I'm going to miss you guys and gals who leave this channel because I'm going to be too honest with you. I sold out my mechs because it is dropping. And the reason I sold my mechs and I didn't hold on to it is there's a thing called Cardano. And what ended up happening is that at some point in Cardano, when it was like at $3, at like an all-time high, and it was starting to drop, and it's just dropping all this time, I never sold. And what happened is that if I sold here, and I saw this point right here, I could have made $3,000 to $4,000. $3,000 to $4,000, that's money I need. That would have been profits if I sold here. Or at least $2,000 if I sold some. I would have made some money here. But as you can tell, my time that I bought in, it's getting closer and closer to just terrible. And that means that I might not even make like $100 out of potential profits. And yes, I kind of need the money because I have a family, and you're listening to one of the poor crypto people. So again, maybe this isn't the best financial advice. Now, given that, if I sold out here, then what ends up happening is that I could always buy back in. And what that means is that I could keep my gains and profits. And if this thing starts to go back up, I could buy on a green candle, right? I'd rather buy on a green candle than buy on a red candle. So my suggestion, this is suggestion, even though technically this isn't financial advice, I guess this is what I did. People should sell, keep it at USDT, and then potentially buy in. Now, of course, I'm using mechs, but if you don't want to use mechs, one of the great things is, because I have been keeping track of this project, is that you want to go and you want to find any other, maybe, if there's something else you want with a lower fee. They've got all these new partnership deals with different exchanges. They're even on Shiba Inu, for God's sakes. I mean, this is crazy. There's all these places now, Gate.io, to buy UFO gaming if you just go to their Discord and do some digging. So you don't have to use mechs. You can actually use like other things. Now, the other factor is why I've been looking at this site is I'm looking for the DApp. I really want to get into the DApp. So if I join the, you know, that's what I came here. That's what my other video is about. Because with the DApp, the staking rewards would happen and you could potentially start earning different type of UFO coins, tokens to buy into their NFTs and into the project. So given all that, there is maybe something going on with some type of DApp that's coming out. There's some type of event that's happening soon in December, and this could be it. This could actually be the DApp. And if that is the DApp, I will still cover UFO gaming, and I will explore it and explain it for people. And I myself may consider buying back in if it starts to green candle in and I've taken some actual profits. So that's it. I wanted to do this UFO gaming update. I hope this has covered everything else. I've got a ton of more content I have to make and catch up with because there's been a lot of stuff going out, and I've been super busy, guys. So and gals. So I gotta run. I'm gonna make another one. Bye.